Friends, as we all know that if we have to travel to Oman after 1st October, we must need PCR test at the airport. And if we are going to Oman, before traveling we have to download Tarasud app and we have to register ourselves on this app. So I will show you how to register on this Tarasud app. First you have to go to Play Store and write the spelling TARASSUD, and then you will download this app. As you know, this name came Tarashud or Tarasud, whatever you will call, Ministry of Health app, and in Play Store we will install this app. In which country you are there, no problem, either in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, wherever you are, before traveling you have to register yourself, so that when you will reach on airport it will be easy and less time consuming to go for test and exit from the airport. When you will download, you will click I agree, and then this page will come. In that page you have to select your country ID and you have to get your OTP code, and then only you can process for registration. For example, if you are in Bangladesh, you will choose Bangladesh. If you are in India, you will choose India. If you are in Pakistan, then you have to choose Pakistan. Almost all country codes available. So in which country you are and which SIM is your active, that SIM code you have to write, or that country code you have to write, and you have to write your active mobile number, and you have to get your OTP. Now for example, if you are in Pakistan, you will choose Pakistan +92 and you will enter your mobile number, and then you will click on the get OTP. Now for example, for registration process, I will choose Sultanate of Oman +968 code and dialing code, and I will write mobile number to get the OTP to start the process of registration. Now see, click the OTP and OTP sent successfully. That OTP code will come in your SMS, and that 4-digit code you have to type in the enter OTP, and you have to click in the sign in. When you will click, the main screen will appear. That time these options, if you want, you can deny or you can attach your location as you wish, it's no problem. And when this main screen will come, on the top you will see it's written, are you traveling to Oman? You have to select tick mark to go for the process of registration. In that you will allow to access the photos from your mobile. If your photo is already in your album, you will choose the left side option, otherwise choose camera and take your photo, and then you write your civil ID number and expiry date. Even if your civil ID is expired, it doesn't matter, you have to write your correct civil ID and expiry date, because already e-visa will be with you. And you have to write your passport number and valid passport number, which passport is your active, write that passport number and choose the country from which country you belong, and write first name and second name according to your passport, and tribe is not necessary, that is for Gulf people, and write your email ID. After email ID you have to choose your date of birth, and then you have to choose your gender, either male or female. After that you will go to the governorate option. In which area you belong, you have to choose that area, either you are from Muscat, Dhofar, Musandam, North Sharqiya, North Batena, which governorate you are living or you are staying, you have to choose, and then you can write the vilayat and address in Oman, that is postal code or post PO box number. After that you have to write your traveling details. First of all, you have to write your arrival date, in which date you will reach in Oman. You have to choose that date and time. After that according to your ticket, and then which country, from which country you are coming from. You are coming from Philippines, you are coming from India, you are coming from Bangladesh or Pakistan or Sri Lanka, Tanzania, which country you are coming from, you have to choose that country. And then you have to choose your traveler type, means either you are Omani GCC national resident or as a visitor coming. You have to choose your traveler type. After that you have to choose the visa type, either you are in employment, short term visa visit less than 7 days, long term visit, or you are going for family joining. And then you have to choose the airport. Disembarkation means which airport you will reach. Mostly, as you know, Muscat International Airport is only the international airport, so you have to choose Muscat International Airport. And an embarkation airport means from which airport you are traveling. And then you have to write your flight number and seat number according to your booking. And then you have to write insurance details, policy number, policies from to policy until which date, as this insurance policy is done by your ticket agencies, so that details will be with you. After that you have to save, and your registration will be complete. Like that you have to register yourself, and you can see other options in the app which will show the current status of corona situation in the Oman country, how many cases in which location, all that things are available. I hope you understand the process of registration, that how we will register ourselves for the PCR test, and this will be easy and less time consuming for you in airport also. Thank you so much, best of luck, and have a safe and nice journey. Thank you so much.